Hey creators, Aiden here with WhatNowViral. Today, we're going deep into the art of crafting 4K level prompts for your AI image tools, whether you use Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo, or Stable Diffusion. If your AI images ever come out grainy, random, or just plain meh, it's not the AI's fault, it's your prompt. So let's fix that and get you generating cinematic 4K visuals like a pro. When we say 4K prompts, we're not just talking about resolution. We're talking about visual precision. A weak prompt gives fuzzy results like a low-res camera shot. But a 4K prompt tells your AI exactly what you want: the scene, the lighting, the style, even the lens type. For example, a woman in a garden is average, but a cinematic portrait of a woman in a Japanese garden at sunrise, soft mist 50mm lens, ultra-detailed 4K render. That's 4K clarity. It's about moving from generic to detailed to cinematic. Here's the trick. Stop writing your prompts from scratch. Let ChatGPT become your creative director. Type this. Act as a professional AI prompt engineer. Write me a cinematic 4K prompt for a futuristic city at sunset. Watch as ChatGPT generates a layered, descriptive masterpiece. It gives you composition, lighting, and emotion, all in one go, helping you create stunning images that truly stand out. Here's my formula for writing ultra-detailed 4K prompts. I call it VICAD. It stands for Visual Subject, Intent or Mood, Camera and Composition, Artistic Style, and Detail and Delivery. Let's build one together. First, the visual subject. A white tiger walking through a bamboo forest. Next, intent. Calm, regal, mystical. Then, camera. Shot with a Canon RF 50mm lens, low angle. For art style, let's go with a Studio Ghibli watercolor vibe. Finally, detail. Ultra-detailed, 8K, volumetric lighting. Now, let's combine it. A majestic white tiger walking through a bamboo forest, calm and regal mood. Low-angle shot on Canon RF lens, Studio Ghibli watercolor style, ultra-detailed 8K render. You can see the difference immediately. It's like going from a quick sketch to a finished painting. This formula gives you a structured way to think, ensuring no critical element is forgotten. One of ChatGPT's biggest strengths is iteration. Don't stop at one prompt. Try asking it to refine your initial idea. Say something like, make it look like a rainy cyberpunk Tokyo, or now change the lighting to golden hour. Each tweak becomes a new take, just like film directors shoot multiple versions of the same scene. You can experiment with different moods, settings, and styles until you land on the perfect image. Soon, you'll discover your own favorite visual language, your unique AI aesthetic. Just remember, prompt, refine, repeat. To instantly level up your image prompts, here are some power words you can use. For lighting, try terms like volumetric lighting, global illumination, rim light, or soft ambient diffusion. For the camera, you can specify a 50mm lens, f1.8 depth of field, an aerial drone view, or a macro close-up. And for details, use phrases like ray-traced reflections, ultra HD render, hyper-realistic texture, or dynamic motion blur. Use these like spices, just enough to bring out the flavor and add that professional touch. And that's your crash course on crafting 4K prompts with ChatGPT. Remember, it's not about typing more, it's about typing smarter. Let ChatGPT handle the structure while you handle the vision. Together, you'll create visuals that look like they came straight from a Hollywood render farm. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI creativity hacks, and drop a comment with your favorite prompt below. I'm Aiden, and this is WhatNowViral. Keep creating, keep prompting, and always keep it in 4K.